I have my 2 paper pads here. We're going to make some patriotic themed cards. These are the 2 paper pads for the month of June. You can join our paper pad club and get 18% off. Don't forget to choose monthly. At checkout, there'll be a drop-down menu that you can choose your frequency and just choose monthly to get your paper pads every 30 days from the day you purchase. So in this paper pad, cue the sparklers, we have some images. So there's 4 pages of each design. We have these beautiful images inside that you can cut out with your Brother Scan and Cut, your electronic cutter, or fussy cut them out with some scissors. If you didn't want to use the images, you could use the lovely pattern on the back. So this is a gorgeous, gorgeous paper pad. And we have a complementing paper pad in these beautiful patriotic inks. So these are like faux alcohol ink backgrounds. I'm going to use this paper pad to mat my designs from this paper pad, and we're going to create something cute. Now the hard part, deciding which side to use. They're both beautiful. To get the most out of my paper, I cut it down to 7 by 5.5, scored it at 3.5. So this is going to make sort of a mini slimline size. So now my card base measures 5.5 by 3.5. So I'm just going to cut down my first panel a 1/4 inch smaller. So we're going to cut that down to 5.25 by 3.25. My next panel will be cut down to 3 by 5. Now we have 2 panels that you can actually use on your second card. Find some coordinating sentiments in your stash. I'm using Lawn Fawn, You're My Shining Star. I'm using VersaFine Claire and Nocturne. Now I'm going to stamp out Star on an angle. I will open up ordering back up on June 20th. I do have a few left of this patriotic papers. I'm just waiting for my 3rd shipment to come in. So if you did place an order early, I was able to ship out your order. I am waiting for my 2nd shipment. So I have some orders waiting for that. And then I have a 3rd shipment coming in. So my last shipment will be listed on June 20th. I'll have some spots open if you want to join the club then. So there's 2 ways I can do it. Match the borders, or should I swap them out? think I'll swap them out. I just added a little glue to the back here with a piece of paper just to raise that end of the image up. Now I can pop up my dog. Okay, I have my dog where I want it. Look what I did, you guys. I did it again. Okay, I guess this could be like an easel card. All right, so we'll pretend that didn't happen. Let's make sure the card is facing the right way. Glue down my sentiment. I'm going to add a little cardstock to the back of this one. I'm going to pop up my truck. Okay, so I have my truck popped up. Now in your box for June, you received a package of Let's Call for Confetti sequins. We're going to use some of that to jazz up the card. This is a bumblebee themed sequence mix, but the colors are perfect. We have blue in there and gold and white, so why not use it? So here are the two cards. I think they turned out really pretty. This paper pad will be back in stock around June 20th. My third shipment is coming in. I've sent out my first shipment. The second shipment will be sent out really soon, in a few more days. So we've had a really great response with these beautiful paper pads. And if you're wanting to join the Paper Pad Club, you can sign up when I relist the Patriotic papers on June 20th. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you real soon in the next video.